If you want access to premium learning content, get our full course. It's hosted on Udemy, which means you're guaranteed maximum transparency and security. Plus, you can request a refund if the course isn't the right fit for you. Once you purchase the course, you'll get lifetime access to all free and premium videos inside. The full course includes the free lessons available here on website, plus exclusive premium content that shares the most valuable insights from professional world of crypto trading. All locked lessons and PDF materials that aren't available here on website can be found inside the full Udemy course. The course is structured module by module, lesson by lesson, to help you learn step by step and build your skills right away. In total, you'll get over 3 hours of educational content, complete with real-life examples. And all of that premium information comes at unbeatable price. So choose what you are interested in and start your professional crypto journey with Lunar today.